I just invite you to the point of counseling to every person's in life. जब किसी बच्चे की जन्म हो जाती है, when the entire family becomes happy, and when the child cries because for the first time the child is taking out the carbon dioxide outside and inhaling the oxygen, which is very painful, क्योंकि तब तक बच्चे की एम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड से उसकी मदर से कनेक्टेड ऑक्सीजन जा रहा था. दैट टाइम फॉर अ चेंज ही इज टेकिंग इट अलोन. इट इज अ पेनफुल एक्सरसाइज. एंड देयर द when the child is put to the breast of the mother, when the child is put to the hands of the mother, the first mental health or well-being counseling session starts. Now it doesn't stop there, it grows. The child gets into an infancy. जब बच्चा पहली बार मूव करना चलता है, when the child starts crawling, and when the child falls, there is a mental health counseling by the family members where they say, कुछ नहीं हुआ बेटा, खड़े हो जाओ. When the child grows further into childhood, where we talk about child sexual abuse or child neglect or violence against children, there needs to be somebody to support, to counsel that child. The counseling session doesn't end there. उसके बाद जब आगे बढ़ते हैं यूथ को बढ़कर अपने फैमिली लाइफ में, अपने मैरिड लाइफ में, when there is a problem, the counseling words of the eldest in the family works. कहते हैं चुप रहो करके शब्द जो होती है बड़ों की, बुजुर्गों की, घर के, वहां पर मैरिड कपल के बीच में जो सेटलिंग डाउन की जो प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाती है, वो चुप रहो करके जो शब्द निकलता है, that is again a counseling session. What I am trying to communicate is every moment of your life is one or the other way connected to counseling. Finally, I just want to draw your attention to a very important thing. When my wife was dying on August 18, 2024, my friend who studied with me MSW way back in 1988 at Indore, he called me up from Australia, where he is a very senior case worker. He told, George, sit with your wife who is dying. I never knew that I can have the mental health of a dying wife as well to a well-being. मुझे कहा गया आप उनके साथ बैठिए. You sit with your children, with your wife. Tell her what you have in mind for her. When she is not going to be there within a couple of hours, when she is not going to be there in a 10 minutes time, tell her you are there with her. Your children are there with her. What are you planning for her? What are you planning for her? There will be no day that she will be missing you. So those kind of soothing words are to be inflicted into the ears of the person who is dying, which was painful, which was tearful, which was ununderstandable to me that time. But I did it. And I did it. मैं जब उस प्रकार के काम किया, मेरे अंदर ही अंदर एक मुझे फीलिंग था, मैं अपने जीवन में सबसे बड़ा काउंसलिंग उस समय किया जब मेरे वाइफ के डेथ के समय, वो डेथ के समय जाते जाते उसने 2 आंसू निकाल के वो चले गए हमको बोल के कि आई एम हैप्पी. इट वॉज अ हैप्पीनेस दैट शी कुड टेल अस. दिस इज व्हाट इज काउंसलिंग.